Welcome back to Get Updated Now, and here we are at Oman Perfume show. So this is the entrance and here is the exhibition map. So many brands are here from all over the Gulf, and like even international brands like the famous perfumes, the branded perfumes are here, and we'll show them all to you. So this one is very well known in Oman and it's from Saudi, and this one is an Omani brand which I really liked. Their bahurs are awesome. Bin Sheikh Khan, so they are from Salalah, and this one I didn't try. There were a lot of people there, but I think that one is also good. I mean, if you enter this exhibition, which is something that you must come to, you'll have one of your best experience, because once you enter, you feel like you're in a dreamland with all these perfumes that you can smell. It's really nice. The bahurs, you'll find the best ones. The creams that are perfumed are also here. Some of them, they prepare petroleum jelly using the perfume. That one also was nice. So this is like a good time you can spend even with your family, and come around, see different kind of perfumes, and the people are also nice. They're they're here to show you all kind of perfumes that they have. Never ending. These sticks, oud sticks, you'll find them from all over the world. Now these are the things they're like literally there, and they're showing you that this perfume has all these things in there. Some of them they're giving kahwa and dates. So if you're tired shopping, you'll find some kahwa and you'll feel good enough to continue. So this one, they have the original ones, really good ones, pure oud sticks, and some of them they're giving some special discounts also, like 50%, 20 to 70%. So it depends on what you like, where you like, and you can avail the discounts. This was something really different. Bee wax. So these people, like you will see people from Cambodia here, you will see people from Malaysia, from Dubai. All of them are having their own different kind of perfumes, but oud is what you will find everywhere, because that is the best. I hope you like the video. Thank you for watching.